Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to us with Simple J. My name is Adifemi JC, and many definitely know me as Simple J, while others know me as definitely Crypto Toilet. And in today's episode, I just want to quickly show you guys how to make and like how to definitely trade shit coins and maybe other coins, not just shit coin alone, coin generally, shit coins, shalayes, and at least take profit quickly on not only taking profit quickly, but at least trade easily on PC. Because I've been receiving a lot of messages from people asking me that how can they use their Trust Wallet on their laptops, like on their PCs. And like I said, no, you can't use your Trust Wallet app on your PC, but there's a way to go around it, and that way is what I want to show you. And what we usually use on PC is this. Why do I like, me specifically, I like trading on PC? The reason is it gives you this um, it makes everything comfortable for you. Like, you do things easily. Like, you can it's not like you can't multitask on phone, but you know that mostly our device is a mobile device and it's very small, so you can't really compare the screen with that of laptop. So when you trade on laptop, most especially when you're at home and you are less busy or you are not going to any places, definitely PC is one of the best places to trade because you can definitely see your charts very, very clear. You can do a lot of things. You can easily buy. You can easily sell. In fact, you can even take profit faster than mobile. That is why I like trading on PC. You can take profit faster on PC than mobile. You can see what's going on. You can do three different things. You can open multiple tabs. Unlike our phone that we do everything on, we don't do everything. We do everything inside Trust Wallet. But on PC, you do everything on browser. All right, we just installing just one extension called MetaMask, and we're going to be installing the extension. And I will walk you through. I just want to walk you through how to install extension and how to configure the extension, because initially, if you install MetaMask extension, by default it only works with like Ethereum network. All right, it won't work with other blockchains. It is you that will have to configure the other blockchain you want to use. And in this video tutorial alone, I will only be configuring Binance Smart Chain. All right, but it's not only Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum you can use MetaMask for. MetaMask can be used for any other network. If you have your Tron, you can use it for Tron, most especially if you configure it for Tron. But the way I'm going to show you today is the same way you will configure for other blockchain. But the only difference right here is just that you just have to look for the details of other blockchain. You can configure it for Matic. I love Matic so much because Matic blockchain makes trading cheaper on Ethereum. It's built on Ethereum. Matic is another blockchain as well, but it's also built on Ethereum blockchain, all right? But what Matic is just doing is it makes trading cheaper. Trading is now cheaper on Matic Ethereum token base and now cheaper on Matic network. But so in this tutorial, after everything you will learn right there, then you can use that process to add anyone you want to be trading on PCB, on Tron blockchain, or Matic blockchain, or whichever blockchain, even on one token blockchain, and maybe Phantom as well. You can definitely just look for them, all right? And yeah, I mentioned on our Telegram group, and if you've not joined our Telegram group, please do by joining it. And if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, like if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, just try as much as possible to subscribe to my YouTube channel, right? So you can just do by heading straight on YouTube, all right? And just search straight to YouTube, and just once you're on YouTube, what you just have to do is search for Ozu with Simple J. All right. Once you search for Ozu with Simple J, definitely you will see my YouTube channel. Subscribe. See my YouTube channel Ozu with Simple J. That is the name. Just subscribe. Watch series of my videos. All right. Specifically, I don't use Mozilla. I just want to use Mozilla because I already have my this thing installed right here. Right, I already have it installed, my MetaMask installed right here. So that is one of the reasons why I want to use Mozilla to install it from the beginning. And to start, you just have to head straight to metamask.io, right? Metamask.io. Once you're on metamask.io on your browser, I recommend Chrome browser. I recommend Chrome browser. Please use Chrome browser, right? Chrome browser is the best. Is the best, all right? So just download this. What are they calling? Just download this. Come to this download now. Click on it. But do your own on Chrome, all right? I really don't like Mozilla browser because it's too slow. I don't know why. I don't just like that browser. I don't like Mozilla browser. It's too slow for me. That's why I choose to use Chrome. I've already installed my own Chrome. That's why I just want to show you something right here. So once you come to this place, then it will ask you to down different browsers that they are supporting. They are supporting Chrome. They are supporting Brave. Brave is another good browser, but because I'm using Windows, I'm using Mac OS, and I don't know if um, Brave is on Mac. But I will try to search. So you just have to choose one. We just have to choose one, right? So you know, for me, I'm using Firefox. You have to choose Chrome. You know, I already have it on my Chrome. I think I will go and check if Brave browser works on Mac operating system. So once you click on this Firefox, it will open this new page for you to take you to the App Store, the extension and store for Firefox, or that of what are they calling it? Chrome. Same thing. You just have to click Add to Firefox or Add to Chrome. If it is on Chrome, so you just have to click on Add. All right. So it will start downloading. Just wait while it download finish. This is how Chrome does. This is how Firefox does on Chrome to download as well. Then it will ask you to add. So let's just wait while it's finished downloading. Man, tired. So I'll just pause this video so that this thing can download. All right, so yeah, just have to click on add. All right, then yeah, you can click allow this extension to run in private window. Just click on it. All right, okay. So okay, like I was telling you, find the right here. You can just search for Ozu simply right here. Ozu, all right, simply all right. When you come here, you can just hit the subscribe button, right? Then you can watch all of my videos, or just click my name. Click my name. If you click my name, if you want to see all the videos, don't just check out this place. These are popular videos. You don't check out the videos, scroll down, right? Scroll down, check out the videos, and this is actually where I started from. This Shalai, all this. So you can start by watching this introduction up, right? So we are just following the trend. That's why I'm doing more of crypto videos. Very soon I'll be changing. I'll be doing another videos, okay? Definitely generally on how to make money. Right? I've not really have time to finish up my blog. I need to do the SEO part before I start posting on it. But hopefully I will finish that in the next 1 week. So, all right, we've installed our MetaMask right here. So once you click on it, it will bring you to this extension. Right, but I will still show you how to, you see, because this is our first time to keep bringing to this extension. And you click on get started. So we have two options. One will say yes, let's get set up. You can create accounts. You can create a wallet address, a wallet right here. Any wallet you create, you can import it as well to your Trust wallet. Definitely, I know you know how to import wallet on Trust wallet, but if you don't know how to import Trust wallet, if you don't know how to import wallets on Trust wallet, then leave a comment. Then I'll do a video on that for you. All right. If you don't know how to do that, then I'll do a video on that. And definitely for me, I already have Trust wallet now, so I want to trade on PC. So I'm not going to create a new wallet normally because I already have the one I'm using for my Trust wallet. So what would I do? I'll just export it. I know on Trust wallet you can only export memory phrase. All right. So Trust wallet won't show you your private key. It will only show you your memory phrase. So you see that if you want to export to any another wallet, you see that you use your memory phrase, you see that you use your private key or even JSON. But on MetaMask, at first, because you are just installing this MetaMask, you have option of what of importing seed phrase. But after you import this seed phrase, you won't be able to import seed phrase anymore. It's only private to be able to import. But there's a way you now go about it if you want to import on that seed phrase. So what we're gonna do here is this. You click on import wallet, right? Tell you airport improve MetaMask, blah blah blah. Click on I agree. Now they will ask you for your seed phrase. Just copy it. Just have to copy it directly. You copy it. Or you just have to already type it on Trust Wallet. Alright? You know, if you check your seed phrase on your Trust Wallet, because I won't be able to show you my own seed phrase. If you check your seed phrase on Trust Wallet, there's a way you will do it. You know your seed phrase. Definitely, I'm sure you know what your seed phrase means now. You just have to go to your Trust Wallet settings and export it right here. Alright, just copy it if you can copy it. And just copy it, alright, then paste it here, or just type it down. But if you type it down, you might make mistake. So just copy it. Once you copy, what would I advise you to do is you copy. If you copy it, paste it in your email. You know, you can just save it as draft in your email. Then you log in to that email on computer. Once you log in, you head straight to your draft. You will see it. You copy it, paste it here. Once you paste it here, delete it from your email. Alright, just delete it from your email. So that is what you will do. So once you paste it right here, you know, the way you copy it from the what are they calling it? From the way you will copy it from Trust Wallet or any other wallet, not just Trust Wallet alone, any wallet you are using. It can be SafePower wallet, it can be any other wallet. It's the same thing. Just copy the memory phrase, alright? And if it is private key you have, then but if you are logging in for the first time, it's memory phrase they will ask you. You just copy it and paste. Alright? Once you paste it here, put your password here, confirm the password, click on I have read. Let's say this is your memory phrase, you put cat. No, you see there will always be space, fish, egg, meat, you know now. But the best thing so that I won't make mistake is just copy directly from any app you are using, paste it and save it in your email. Then from your email, log into the email on PC, copy from your draft, just save the email as draft and paste it and delete the email. Alright, so once you are done, you just click on import. For me, I will not do that because I already have one. I just want to show you how to do it. So that is the second way. But if you now you do not have memory key, let's say it's private key, because some people might have just private key with them. So you have to do it. If it is private key, you know from here, it's only memory phrase you can import, which is also known as seed phrase. But if it is private key you want, you have with you that you save and you have, all you just have to do is first have to click on create account. You click on I agree. Then they will ask you for password, alright? You just put a password. Right, just put a password. So you click on I have read and I go to the terms. I don't save my password. Alright, so it will show you your secret backup right here. Right, it will show you the secret backup right here. Alright. If you want to reveal it, this is it. I'm not using this, so even if you know it, I'm just using it as an example for you. So this, you know, this is your own seed phrase. Because I created this in that video, give me this seed phrase. So you have to copy like this, save it somewhere else, alright, or write it down. Consider there's space in between them. You write it down. I'm still showing if it is private. If it is private key you are, so just click on next because they will ask you. That's why I said you need to write it down. Alright. You need to write it down. So once you are done writing it down, then you click on confirm and take it to your MetaMask account. But I'm still not going to do that because I don't have the time, or I can take it remind me later, right? So I've skipped it by saying remind me later. I've skipped it. That means I've not write it down. So that's straight me to you can skip it and now it has taken me to this account, right? But this it has taken my wallet, my MetaMask wallet here on PC, it's showing me on PC. So, but if you want to access your MetaMask wallet, you just have to click on this thing here. You see the MetaMask this thing here, this is the icon here. So if you want to access your account, just click on this thing like this. If you want to create a new account, you can create a new one. Now, because we want to import our own private, let's say private key we want, you now click on this import account. You can do the same thing on same thing here. This one only helps to wide it. If you want to, if let's say this is because you are using it for the first one, that's why it brought us to this specific. But next, it won't bring me to this specific again. You will only be able to access it from your extension right here. But if you now want a PC view of it, right? So what you just have to do is you just click on expand view, right? Once you click on expand view, you're able to open it in PC view like this. So from there, you can either do anything you want to do right here, or you do it right here in PC view, right? So let's say you want to create new accounts. So what you just have to do is, let's say now we want to import our private key because we don't have memory for this private key we have. That's why we'll have to create a dummy account first, which you don't need. So you have to click on this import account. Once you click on this import, and you can see now that it has now asked you for 3 things. Either you create another one on MetaMask, you can create as many wallets as you like. You can also import. So once you click on this import, right, we now select between JSON file or the private key. So it's private key. So now you have to put your private key here. You also have to copy it where you save it. Send it to your email from your email, paste it and delete it back from your email, right? So then once you click on import, you have to add it. If you add it here, right? So I think I don't know. I want to show you an example. I think all right. So now I've copied one private key. Let's say now it's private one of those. Just have to paste it here, right? This is your private key right here, right? Just paste it here. So this is my private key. Let me just show you something. So you can see this private key right there. It's of no use though. This is how long private key are. So then you just have to paste it right there, right? So you just paste it and click on import. So immediately you click on import. If you claim it as account 2, you can see account 2 right there. So from this is the account details. If you want to edit this account, you want to give it another, and just click on these 3 dots, click on account details. Show you your wallet address right here. Okay, this is your wallet address, and you can now click on this account 2 and name it anything you want to do. Test account. Let's say you want to differentiate them, then click on this thing like this. So if you want to switch between them, click on this. You can see our account 1, which is main account. You can see imported account because it will tell you imported account right here. So this is it to show that you can see it now. That is, we've imported our account right here. Since we've imported our account right here, if you click on it, you can switch between account. You can close up to 20, up to 30, up to 50. So let's say now the next thing is, let's say you want to export our private key now, because from here you cannot export your private key. Now let's say you want to export if you want to export your private key for anyone, just click on it. All right, just click on it back again. Once you click on it, you go to settings. All right, once you go to settings, you go to security. Once you go to the you see review, it will ask you for password. Put your password. All right, once you put your password, you click on next, and then it will show you all the memory. You can see our memory phrase. All right, so this is memory phrase. You can save it as CSV file or copy it to clipboard, whichever one you want. Okay, copy it to clipboard. You can paste it anywhere. You can paste it in your email back, or write it down and delete it later from your email. You can see. So that is so you can see it shows us our private key. All right, so let's see if we want to check private key for the second one. For the second one, so the fastest reset to go to that place is once you click on this, like this now. This is account 1. Click on account 1. If you click on this account details, if you click on export private key, ask you for your password. You put it there. All right. Once you put there, click on confirm. Show you your private key. You can see this is the private key. This is how to get private key of your account. So you can see the private key of this account right here, right? So this is the private key of this account. Let's say we want to try to find the private key of our account, and let's say we log in with memory phrase. Now we want to find the private key. This is the private key right here. Either private key or memory phrase, everyone is fine. Anyone works fine on any centralized wallet. You either need your private key or your memory phrase. That is what you need. If you have any one of them, save it. Like me now, most especially, I only save memory phrase. So at times, so I save private key in case if it is private key the app wants, the centralized app wants, or memory phrase, whichever one. So But let's say you want to find the this thing, go to settings, the memory phrase of that this thing, the seed phrase, just go there, type a password. So you just have to reveal it. Alright, this is it. Okay, so so alright, so it is the memory phrase of the this thing to show you the memory phrase of the account you created. It will show you the memory phrase of the one you imported. So for the one you imported, you can only see the private key because it's private key you use in entry now. So definitely it will only be showing you what you use in entry. Alright, so if you click on account details right there, if you click on export private key, if you put your password, it will show your private key. Either private key or memory phrase is fine. But the most important thing is once you are done with it, the next you want to do is this. You can see anything you want to use for this purpose. Now we can't use it for anything like Binance Match or anything. You think it's a lie? Let's go. Let's try it out. Let's try it out and see. Let's try it out and see. All right. If you're in Pukoina right now, you see if you click on connect, you choose MetaMask to Trust Wallet. If you select it, if you ask us to select between these two wallets, so that's why I said you have to give your wallet like if you imported some other wallets. That's why I said you have to give your wallet name so that you know the one you have currently have BNB, or either you choose you look at the last this thing of the last 4 digits of the wallet address. So now let me say I choose this first one. Choose the first one. I will untick. If it is the two you want to connect, no problem, but I want to connect one, whichever I want to connect. So if I click on next, I click on connect, it's right connecting. Okay, by right, you can see that it's still telling me to connect. The reason why it's still telling me to connect, on a very good day, it's supposed to connect automatically. But it's still telling me connect. And the reason why it's still telling me to connect is because you can see it's still telling me to connect. And the reason why it's still telling me to connect is because we don't have, we are on Ethereum mainnet. We are supposed to be on Binance Smart Chain, but if you click on this thing to switch to Ethereum, from here you have to switch to whichever one you are. All right. Now, if you look at everything right here, all this is based on Ethereum. This is localhouse if you want to test, and we have this is testnet for this is localhouse for those that are deploying token and want to test, or this testnet or this testnet token. This is the only mainnet Ethereum. So what's going to happen? How do we configure? Because you have to configure this thing to use Binance Smart Chain, because Binance Smart Chain configuration is not here. This is only Ethereum mainnet. You have to put Binance Smart Chain mainnet as well. So what are we going to do? So we have to extract the Google. Right, we have to search for I'll drop the link in the video description. All right, you won't have to search for Binance Smart Chain. Mainnet MetaMask. All right, Binance Smart Chain mainnet MetaMask. All right, so to bring you here, you see this link, connect with academic. All right, you see this specific link. I will copy the link. The link will be, just check the video description for the link. All right, so this is where we get the details. So you just have to scroll down here to where this says configuration. So this is all we need. This is what we need. All right, this is what we need. This is mainnet. This is testnet. You actually don't need this testnet except you are a developer. All right, except you are a developer and you are developing tokens and you want to test it on Binance Smart Chain. All right, so but since we only want to trade, what we need is Smart Chain, the main one. This is the main name. So network name. So how to configure this? We have to copy the network name. Copy, come straight to this place, or either one, the icon right here. Okay, you come straight to it. All right, so once you come straight to it, you click on this thing back. All right, so whichever one, even if it is here, whichever one, you come to settings, network, All right. Once you come to network, you come to you come to network, whichever one you are right here. You see add network, all right? Network name, paste it here. Smart chain, all right? So you head straight to this place, new RPC URL. You will copy it, the new RPC URL. You copy it as well, all right? So you head straight to this place, new RPC URL. You paste it here, all right? So you head straight back to this place, chain ID 56 and symbol BNB. All right, chain ID 56, symbol, they will say option about put it BNB. All right, block explorer, they will tell you the option about put it. All right, copy it as you copy it as well, paste it here, then you click on save. Make sure you click on save, don't forget, click on save. All right, now you can see that since we saved it, all right, Binance Smart Chain is now there. Now, we've saved it now. So we have Binance Smart Chain is now, man. We have all this, we have Ethereum, blah, 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 blah. So the next thing again is click on add token, add network. For me, I like adding testnet on my own because I usually use it for some stuff. But you don't need to add this. So this is just testnet. So they've said that network name, you just put Binance Smart Chain test network, right? So this is test network. Binance one is test network. All right. New RPC. You copy it. Okay. Paste it here. Then the chain ID 97 symbol is to BNB. Chain ID and block explorer, right? Copy it, paste, then save. All right. Then this is some kind of stuff that Okex was giving some people that they now think they gave them token. So you see this thing that they call Binance for Shirt. You can open it in NetApp, right? It's meant for testnet. It's not for mainnet. Don't go deceive yourself. It's meant for testnet token. So you say Binance matching for Shirt. Just for developer. Let's say you are developing a token and you want to test it with BNB. So they will give you fake BNB. Fake BNB is only associated with testnet. So what you're going to do, they will say input your Binance matching address. So then we won't go back to this thing because you are done with this thing. So since you are done with this one right here, we have configured Binance matching and this, so you have to cancel this right now. Once you cancel it, if you click on here, you see that Binance Smart Chain is now there. You can see Smart Chain Testnet and Smart Chain. Smart Chain. So Smart Chain is the mainnet. This is the testnet. So for this testnet, you will copy your address. This is your wallet address here. Click on copy. Copy. I come to this for share. This for share is just for developer. I'm just showing you don't need this. So if I put this for share here, I can request for any token. Give me BNB. They will ask me, okay, I'll choose one BNB. They will say I should wait. They will send it. All right. They send my one BNB. You can request for all this year token. It's testnet. You can't spend them on test. Any token on testnet cannot be spent. Like I said, it's only used to develop tokens. Like if you are developing tokens, I want to test how the token will behave. That is how this thing works. All right. So if you come back to this place, this is testnet though, and let's see the giving us BNB. Okay, no BNB has been given. We have to wait till they give us BNB. Let's say BNB. Okay, funding request accepted. Now, if you go back, they've sent it. You will see just fake BNB though, fake BNB. All right, fake BNB. It's not. You can see one BNB. You can see it. This one. They are reminding me to back up my coffee face. You can see it's one BNB. This BNB is fake. Oh. It's for shared BNB. It's fake. Oh, because we are on testnet. So I'm just showing you. Now we have to move to mainnet. This is mainnet. You not smart chain mainnet. You not see the BNB. See it. You not see the main BNB because this is very BNB. That one is testnet. This one is mainnet. Mainnet is the one you will go and buy on exchange. Mainnet is live application that has been token that has been deployed already on mainnet. All right. So the other one BNB you see is just testnet. Cannot be spent. So now you can see that we now have BNB blockchain now. We've been able to add our BNB blockchain. So the same way you added this BNB blockchain is the same way you add what are they calling it? What are they calling it? It's the same way you will add, let's say any other one. Let's say it is this thing you are looking for. Another question like maybe Tron, mainnet, MetaMask. All right, if you search for it, all right, you search for it. If Tron is available for MetaMask, you will see it there. All right, you see it. Add maybe how to add custom network service. Okay, this is not it. Okay, maybe you can just search for add if it supports it to. Add custom control, maybe network. I know Phantom support it. So if Tron have it, they will post it. If Tron have it, they will post it. Alright, so they don't have, I don't think they have. They don't have. They don't have. So, but Phantom have their own though. See Phantom. Look at Phantom. Just with Phantom network on MetaMask. See, consider Phantom have their own. Will give you can see it network name, can see it network name. This is chain ID, symbol, explorer. So those things usually have this the same way. The same way if you want to add a Matic blockchain, all right? So if you want to use that, let's say you've been using them on mobile and you want to use them on laptop, that is how to add it. So, but we've been able to add our MetaMask, all right? Smart chain. If you click it, you see that it's already there. So if anything you are doing here is reflecting there, you can see it. Now, if you head back to PoolCoin app and we try to connect this time around and click on MetaMask, you see that if you connect, can you see that it has connected? You can see log out now. Why? Because we've been able to add our what? Base to it. So that is how to add it. So I'm done. All right, I'm done with this specific adding of stuff. I've shown you, definitely I've shown you how to export to. Because if let's say you create an account on MetaMask and you want to export it and you want to go and use it on you want to go and use it on Trust Wallet back, all right? All you just have to do is, if you just export it, all you just have to do is, what are they calling this? All you just have to do is, once you choose the particular this thing, wallet, just click on this place, account details, export privately, copy it to one place, go to your Trust Wallet and import it. That is what you have to do. And now that you are connected to this thing, let's say you want to disconnect from here, it's just the same we used to do. Those of you using allowance.bfy.finance to, now, all you have to do is, you see connect, you see, okay, we connected to, okay, you will see that, we connected to this particular wallet, account one, all right? You will notice that we connect to account one. So once you click on it here, since we are on account one on PoolCoin, let's see, you connected to account one, right? You can see connected. You'll be on PoolCoin and you open it, it tell you that you are connected to account one. It says you connected because you are connected to this website. So if you want to disconnect from here, let's say you are done using it and you don't want to, because of, now, you don't want to endanger your accounts, but PoolCoin app is not risky though. But should in case, if you connect to any app on MetaMask, want to revoke it, you see everything there, just say disconnect the site. Once you click on disconnect the site, it has helped you to disconnect from here, so you are not connected to PoolCoin app anymore. So you see now, it's now ask you to connect again, all right? So that is how to do that. So we have to cancel this, close my Mozilla Firefox, then I'll come back to my Chrome. Why? Because Chrome is where I want to finish the final part of the story. Chrome is where I have my, what are they calling it, my own business. So that is how to connect. So the next thing you have to do now is this. If you want to trade anything, like you want to trade anything on KuCoin app or anything you want to trade. So let me just enter my password. Right, so you just click on lock. So this is all right. So this is my account. This is one of my accounts. I imported this one. I created this one. I imported this one too. This is my main account. I created this one. You can see all some of my shalai, but all your coins won't show here. On trust on what are they calling it? On MetaMask, all your shalai coin won't show like that. They won't show like this. They won't show on the balance. There's not like all this. It's not like source wallet. So you have to add it yourself. To add it yourself, it's still the same way. Once you are here, just click on add token. If you have the smart contract, if you have the token contract address, just have to put it there. Then let's say you have the token contract address, the symbol, the decimal. You know now. If you have the token contract address, you just paste it there. Let's say you have the token contract address, token symbols. You just put the decimal, right? Just put the decimal 18. And no, definitely now I've shown you how to get all these details. It's on Ether blockchain is where you will get all these details. I already showed you how to get all these details, but that is not the reason why I will still show you again now. So I've logged into my main listing on Chrome, and you can see my Chrome right there. That is the same thing. If I click it right here, if I click it, it will still open it this way. So let's say you want to expand. Let's say if you click it right here, you see it like this. So let's say you want to expand on PC, just click on expand view, and it's able to open it right here. So it's still the same thing. So now the next thing is, let's say you want to trade on any website or you want to trade on KuCoin app like we've been doing before. You extra to KuCoin.app. So once you extra the KuCoin app, you connect. I've already connected my own though. So from here, it's very, very simple. I love KuCoin.app because everything is simple. If you want to access your wallet, just click on wallet right there. Then you see all your tokens. Just click on this load new token so that everything will show. Definitely, you see all your tokens and so the only tokens that will show here and balance that will show here is the tokens that are on Binance Market. Ethereum will not show because KuCoin app is not meant for Ethereum. So you see everything right here. So you can see all your tokens, see everything, all right? If you have anyone you start, you can see them right here. Sure, you just see all of them. So just see all of them right here, okay? All right, so now is how to do that. You see everything right there. See everything. Now, if you want to trade, you can search for your tokens here, any tokens. So now, you can click on here to extract back to the home page of KuCoin.app. It's not necessary. You can do that here. So once you are here, the next thing is, let's say you want to trade. For example, you just have to come to token and see it. dscan.com/token txns the same way. On PC now, this dscan, right? So you see all these tokens right here. People buying tokens. You can see these two people buying full video finance. Let me just open a new tab. That is why I like PC. Just have to open a new tab, and you are doing your research continuously. 51,000 address. 100 trillion. 100 trillion, 51 address, and people are buying too. So from here, you can do everything based on what I taught you guys, all right? 76%. This address is within 20%. So you just have to do everything you want to do. Let's say you are done, you copy it, you call me, you paste. Full bit of finance. Once you paste, can see. The reason I like is to be able to see the chart very well. See, just shift it. This coin has depot. This is 1 day chart. I usually first compare I usually compare 1 day chart, 4 hours chart, and see how it looks like. Right? I like comparing 4 hours chart, then 30 minutes chart to see how it looks like from here to this place. Then 15 minutes chart. So for the 3 charts, you can see that this coin is a no for me. Let me check the info. You can check the info and you can see it. You can see it just $42 is the task of pull. And I've not even checked that I told you that it's a no for me, because after checking all the 1 day, the 4 hours, the 30 minutes, everything is deep. You can see they've pulled already. So that is why. I like PC. PC allows you to see everything. You can see they've pulled already, and some people are still buying, because the reason why some people are still buying this shit, because they probably did not come across my videos and they did not watch how to do their research. That's not good. That is right. So if you don't know how to do things, what you don't know, you don't know. If you don't know how to do things, you keep on buying something that has got good. So this one, Jinduino. Let me see what is currently happening with Jinduino. You can see Jinduino is there again. Little rabbit. Space token. It's finance. Banana. Space token. So if you want to quickly know if a coin is shalaye, once you click this value section, once you see that the coin is much, the value this thing is much, like all these things, we know it's shalaye. Those ones that are not shalaye, you'll be seeing like maybe like 62 point something, all those ones are not shalaye. Or if you want to know if a coin is shalaye, the Wall Street is WTST. I think I still saw it. See, this one shalaye because it's long. So this Jinduino, let's see the orders. 24,000 addresses. Seconds. People are really buying this coin too, and 24,000 orders. So let me write contract. Let me see something. So you can do the same thing I taught you before. Is what you have to do here. So I just want to check if it has main function. It has main function. See it. It has main function. So come on, I know the buy. Get main function now. Let's see number of orders. They burn 56%, but it's has main function. See. 0.9% was added to liquidity. No wonder. It has main function. People are still buying. Let me check KuCoin out. Has main function, and people are buying it. See, it's 11 million market cap. 246. This is in a right now. 962 billion. 246,000. The LP liquidity. But it has main function. So you can see this is 15 minutes charts. 15 minutes charts. From here. Wow. This is 15 minutes chart. I'm going to check something first. This is a trend. I'm going to check something. I'm going to confirm. So like I was saying, this token. Let me check the 1 day charts. Let me check the 1 day. Let me see. So bring your mouse to this side. One day chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. The token came out 19 days ago. 19 days ago. Let me check the 4 hours chart. Let me check the 30 minutes. 15 minutes chart. So that is just how to trade it though. If you want to trade, just 9% minimum. I wouldn't advise you to buy it though. Let me just check something out sharp. Token sniper. Let me paste the contract address here. View contract source code. Now from this contract source code, I want to look for something. I'll just use Ctrl F. Alright, so I want to find mint. I want to see whether there's a function mint. Bang bang, you can see it. You only see 1 stroke 1. 1 stroke 1. But if it is another mint, this mint that's like 6 stroke 6 or something, that one is not mint function. That one is mostly for if your liquidity is blocked. Alright, that is when you see that. But you can see all this. There's a mint function here. It's a mint address account unit. Only owner. You can see it's only owner address. So imagine, why are they minting new token? Why will div still want to mint new token if not to do people? So and people are buying 25,000 that the div can roku at any point in time. They're just waiting for the perfect time. They're just waiting for the perfect time. It can roku at any time. Nothing like liquidity lock. Liquidity is not locked. So the div can roku at any time though. So the Wall Street 1,500 address is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me see what is going on with this. $50, $131,000, 156, BNB just 50,000. This one is just about to move. Came down. Now. The deep is going back up. 18% here. This is 15%. Don't use 15% to judge your trade though. Sometimes always use 30% sometimes, but the most standard one, if you have good charts at times, like there's a good enough data, it's 4 hours. Not for Shalaye though, because Shalaye doesn't really have much data. But this token is about to move gradually, about to move gradually back up. But that is, let's say you want to buy this token, all you just have to do is just click on this trade right here. You know, just automatic is green. You put it on auto, just put BNB, let's say 0.1, 0.1. Alright, just click on swap, normal now. I will take the blank. Alright, just click on swap, let's say 0.05. Yeah, normal. Just click on swap. I don't like using auto, so what I'll just put it 0.5. I'll just remove this and leave first this thing. And I'll just leave first and then 1, 2, 3. I will replace it to 0 so that the only first 3 there will be numbers. The meaning of the 0, but I will watch this and make sure it does not surpass 0.5 or 0.04. No, I only want to buy 0.05, but 0.049 is up as approximately 0.05. So I'll just click on swap. See, once you click on swap, it will take you to this place automatically because you're already connected to our MetaMask and it's faster. Just click on confirm. Just wait for it to load. Just check my balance. Once it works, you see there my balance. Alright, you can see confirm transactions. It has confirmed. If you want to see it on blockchain, just click on it. If you click on it, it automatically open BS account for you. You see where you can see all the details of the transaction you bought. I just bought $16 worth. Come back to your Pocoin app. You see, can you see that it's here now? 40 billion. Alright, so that is how it works. If I want to sell back, same thing. I'll just have to, if I want to sell back, click on it, everything you can then approve. So to first approve, you have to first approve it. So it will open MetaMask again. Anything you want to do, you just open MetaMask. That is how to trade on PC. Click on confirm. After you've confirmed it, you can see confirm transaction. Then I can then click on swap directly and send. The same thing with Pancakeswap. It's not only Pocoin app is working for. This is Pancakeswap. Let's say you want to trade on Pancakeswap or Uniswap, whichever one. But you know Uniswap is for Ethereum. So if you want to trade on, if you want to connect to Uniswap, you have to first connect with what are they calling it? Ethereum. You have to first switch this. You have to first switch this. This smart chain. You have to switch it to Ethereum. So the same thing with Uniswap. Any website that uses the app that you want to connect to MetaMask is the same process. Just click on it and it automatically connects you to MetaMask. All right. So that is how this thing works. Not just for Pocoin alone. Any website that needs you to connect to their blockchain. All right. Just the same way Trust Wallet functions is the same MetaMask functions. Okay. I click on I understand. Continue. You can see that it has connected automatically. It's connected automatically because I'm using MetaMask, all right? It's connected automatically. Like if I click on this now, if I click on this MetaMask right here, if I click on this MetaMask right here, if I see this connected, it will show me active, yes. If I click on this, you can see that because I'm on Pancakeswap page, you show me exchange of Pancakeswap. If I click on this, disconnect from this site. Now you can see it. You see it. It will tell me to connect. See it. But if I click on connect, it will tell me to choose. Then I'll choose MetaMask. To roll it, right? Tell me to choose account. This is my main account. I'll click on next. Then connect. Once I connect, you can see it's connected. Now I can trade the same way, all right? I can trade the same way, okay? So 0.45. So if I want to swap, if you want to set your slippage tolerance, you know, the same way now, the same way you use it on for, it's the same thing. Let's click on this. Let's say 11, all right? Then click on swap. Click on confirm swap. It automatically open MetaMask for you. And click on confirm, but I'm not selling. All right, click on dismiss. You can go back to where you were before. So it's the same thing. You can just exchange your Pancakeswap finance swap. Okay. Exchange your Pancakeswap finance. See it. So that is just how this thing works. All right. So MetaMask. So if you are done, let's say you want to log out, just click on this lock to log you out automatically. All right, then it requires password. Now, let's say you want to import another wallet and it's only memory phrase you have. Once you click on logout, you see it import using seed phrase. Because if you do not log out, you can't import using seed phrase. You can now come here and paste your seed phrase, which is your memory listing, put your password, put everything. If you want to show your seed phrase, click on here. Then click on restore to restore you. But however, once it restores you, the previous one you are won't be working again. Everything will be cancelled. So before you import this thing, make sure while you are logged in, you quickly export private key so that by the time you import memory phrase, you'll be able to. By the time you import your memory phrase, before you log out, make sure you export your private key. By the time you export your private key, if you import memory phrase, maybe for another account and you are logged in, then you can now import the other account back using the private keys. All right. So that is just how, because for you to export memory phrase, seed phrase, you have to log out first. But for you to import memory phrase, you have to log out first for the previous one. But for you to import private keys, you don't need to log out of the previous ones. All right. So that's just it, guys. If you don't understand anything, please just ask the question in this below video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you would like to join our upcoming project which you are contributing for, you can definitely contact me on WhatsApp, all right, with +234 816 453 0405. So simple. What I'm saying is +234 816 453 0405. That is my WhatsApp number, all right. So contributing for our own project. We are not doing Shalai. We have one Shalai we are working on, but that one does not need any contribution. But definitely we are working on a good project with good use case, which we are contributing for, right? The minimum contribution we want to contribute for the project is just $27,000, and we are still contributing for it. Those that believe in the project, but if we want to contribute, no problem, all right? Minimum contribution is not much, all right? And maximum contribution is not much, all right? So far, so good. I think we've contributed about $8,000 to $8,500 out of the $27,000. And if you want to join us, you want to be part of the project, no problem. You can contact me on WhatsApp with that number. And don't forget to join. Check this video's description for our YouTube, for our Telegram channel, and the Telegram Telegram group. All right. And once you get to the Telegram group, please always check the group description, okay? So that you don't violate the group rules and so that you don't get duped by scammers, fraudsters looking for a way to at least steal your money from you. All right. So don't forget to please subscribe, like my video, and also share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Do have a wonderful night rest.